Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Docker on Debian operating system. First open terminal, verify Docker is default software or not. See we don't have Docker, okay. So to install, click on activities, open any web browser. Now go to Docker official website, that is docker.com. Hit enter. Then click on Docs. Then click on Docker desktop. Then click on install. Then select the Linux. Then click on Debian. See the prerequisites. We have to check the prerequisites. Right click, open link in new tab. See, these are the prerequisites. I'm on. See, this is the prerequisite to have a 64-bit version of Debian 12. I'm on the same version. Now install Docker. We have two methods. One by using Debian package and another one by using apt repository. Right click on it, open link in the tab. Both are same. So we are going to install by using this apt repository. See, for apt repository we have to run all these commands. Okay. After that we have to install Docker by using this command. Okay. We install it by running these commands one by one. See, the supported OS requirements are Debian 12 and Debian 11. Okay. So run these commands one by one. First we are going to update the packages. Copy this one, go to terminal, paste it, hit enter. Now install this curl and CA certificates. Paste it, hit enter. It is already installed. Okay. Now install keyrings. Copy this command. Paste it, hit enter. Then import the signing key. Then change the permission for this ACS file. Hit enter. It's done. Now add the repository to apt sources. So copy this command from here to here. Okay. Copy it. Paste it. Hit enter. Control L. Now update the packages again. Sudo apt get update. It's up to date. Now install the latest version of the Docker, and if you want to install specific version you have to select these options. Okay, so I'm going to install the latest version. So copy this entire string, entire command, and paste it, hit enter. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Let us verify. Sudo Docker version. See, we have installed. Also verify without sudo version. See, we are not getting full information. So to run this version command, we have to create the group. Sudo group add Docker. It is already there. So we have to add this current user to this group. Sudo user mod -a z $user. This will add the current user to. We have to give the Docker group name. Hit enter. It is done. Now run the Docker version without sudo. So to effect these changes, we have to exit and we have to log in back. Again open terminal. Now run Docker version. Still if it is not working, you have to restart the server. Okay. So Ctrl L sudo Docker version. Okay. We have installed Docker engine. Version number is 27.3.1. See here, we got the same version. Okay, Ctrl L to clear screen. Now let us verify the installation by running this sample Docker container. So copy it. See, it is going to pull this image if it is not available locally. Okay, hit enter. See, unable to find image hello world locally. So it is going to pull from the Docker hub. See, it has successfully pulled, and this is the output of this Docker. So this is the output of this command. Okay. So also if you want to see the Docker service, Ctrl L sudo systemctl status Docker .service. See, Docker is running, and this is the ID for the Docker D. Docker D is the service Docker D, and this is the memory consumed and number of tasks, CPU. See, this is the socket information, and here it is running and it is enabled. Q to quit, Ctrl L to clear screen. See, these are the commands to uninstall Docker, and this will uninstall, and these are the commands to remove the directories for the Docker. Okay. Now I will show you the other method by using Debian package. See, we can click on this link to download the Debian package. Just click on it. See, download has been started and the size is 344 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then we have to install this by running the command sudo dpkg-i. Then we have to give this Debian package name. Okay. So I'm cancelling this one. Just I want to show you the installation method. Okay. So close it. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Docker on Debian 12 or 11 operating system. For more Docker or DevOps videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.